In this module, I'm going to introduce you to the affiliate money producing machine. It's like you're just taking a few minutes of your day to work on something and boom, you make money on demand. Without doing this particular step as an affiliate marketer, you are literally leaving money on the table. This is how people make hundreds of dollars every day or thousands every month on demand. So let me introduce you to the world of autoresponders. An autoresponder is a program which stores your leads or emails which you collect as an affiliate marketer. And through a simple technique, you can broadcast your emails to the same leads and make money. Now here are some of the underlying advantages of an autoresponder. This is where the things become really exciting and intense, so listen carefully. Number 1, it helps you to automate your business. You don't have to remember any leads. You don't have to collect anything manually, and everything is stored automatically. Imagine if you have a list of 5,000 or 10,000 people. You just send an email blast and it goes to all of them inside their inbox, just like that. Next, you can be in touch with your prospects. Imagine if you have 10,000 customers or email leads. How can you be in touch with them without an autoresponder? That would be too much work to contact them one by one if you do it manually. Third, you can create follow-up emails at will. This serves to increase the effectiveness of a previous email. You can just send another email and you can be in touch with them in a single click, whenever you can. Fourth, you can build a high amount of trust. This is because at the moment someone receives emails from you, you are already building a bond or connection with the person, and they will feel valuable as well. Remember, trust factor is something which is immensely important when you want to make money online. Another advantage is you can track your business and list. You can see how much people are opening your emails, clicking your links, converting to sales, etc. Obviously, if you combine all the points above, not using an autoresponder literally means leaving money on the table. Now, this is the important thing. Once you start building a list, you will need to spend a few minutes working on it so you can start monetizing it. You could be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. Of course, it also depends on how you build your relationship with your list, what kind of value you provide, and what kinds of offers you promote. But the training which I'm teaching you is all proven and has been tested through time. This is how solopreneurs and big marketers alike have made money with affiliate promotions. So once you follow the training about selecting offers, the traffic, list, and audience building, you can be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. If you have an autoresponder with 1,000 lists, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, as simple as that. If someone asks what the most important asset of an affiliate marketer is, I'd say the answer is your list in an autoresponder. Inside the PDF of this course, I've given you the link to the autoresponder service I use. Personally, the two autoresponders I highly recommend are Auber and GetResponse. Just check their websites for current pricing and availability of trial accounts. So if you still don't have an autoresponder, get an account now. It will take you just about 5 minutes to fill up everything. Trial accounts are usually available for free, so you could check everything up. In the next video, I'll show you how to start creating a broadcast to promote your affiliate offers. Thank you so much.